Halala wololo, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the show where it is Let's Talk Diskie with Sikhukhune Msimango, and obviously I am Sikhukhune Msimango. But before we get into the show, okay, there's noise this side, so there's load shedding, but welcome to South Africa, you know the truth. But before we get into the show, I would like to explain of what the show is about, really. So the show is all about everything South African football. So we're talking about the major leagues, we're talking about the minor leagues, the major tournaments, the minor tournaments. We're talking about Varsity Cup, we're talking about Hollywood's Bet League, we're talking about Dstv Premiership, we're talking about Dstv Diskie. You get the drill. From Enhlabathini to Echanini, Fafa side, sikhuluma ngayo la. But I would like us to talk about Sikhukhune versus Orlando Pirates today. And I'm not talking about the 27, the Nedbank Cup final. We'll get into that. But for now, let us talk about the 11th of May 2023, Sikhukhune versus Orlando Pirates, where it ended a 1-1 draw. And Orlando Pirates, it was Zugamanja who scored. On Sikhukhune side, it was Jima who scored. Makahleni Makaula, former Amazulu captain, was awarded a man of the match, which was well deserved, I think. What do you think about that? Cool. And then Orlando Pirates made their players to come with their female figures around them in celebratory of Mother's Day. Remember that on Sunday it was Mother's Day. So Orlando Pirates players came with their mothers, sisters, which I think it was awesome. Proceed to the 27th of May 2023, shall we? It is the Nedbank Cup final, 27th of May 2023. But before we go much further, let me give credit to Sikhukhune's head coach, Brandon. This guy literally gave Sikhukhune its first ever cup final. This guy literally made sure that Sikhukhune is through to the CAF Confederation Cup. Now, that's some magic, y'all. So I will need some sound, pa pa pa, or something, which is cool. So Sikhukhune is going through to the final after winning against Stellenbosch 4-3 on the penalties. And then obviously Orlando Pirates won against the family business that we support, Kaizer Chiefs, 2-1. But we're not on Kaizer Chiefs. Here are your comments about Sikhukhune versus Orlando Pirates.